Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Rasmirma Mahmood. Today we are drawing one of the most iconic characters in anime history, the legendary Kakashi Hatake from Naruto. I'm so excited for this one because Kakashi has such a cool design. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, grab your pencil and let's get started. We'll start with the basic shapes. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Just follow my hand movements. Notice how his headband and that one visible eye give him so much character already. If you're enjoying the process so far, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's work on the mask and that famous gravity-defying hair. While I'm sketching this, I want to know, who is your favourite character from the Team 7? Is it Kakashi, Naruto, Sasuke or Sakura? Let me know in the comments. I read all of your suggestions for future drawings. We're moving into the shading now to give the drawing some depth. See how a little bit of shadow makes the whole sketch pop? If you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a masterpiece. And there he is, the copy ninja himself, Kakashi Hatake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you followed along, I'd love to see your work. Also, check out the membership link in the description if you want to support the channel further. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next drawing. Peace.